channel Non-Stop Sense for the right attitude, aptitude and awareness. When we think of Indian experts and leaders, how many can we list instantaneously in different fields? Well, we curated a few important national days in India in remembrance of some of these experts and leaders. Come, let's have a quick glance at them one by one. Which leader's birth anniversary is celebrated as National Youth Day on 12 January? Swami Vivekananda, also known as Narendra Datta, founder of several renowned spiritual institutions like Ramakrishna Math, Ramakrishna Mission, etc. Which army leader is associated with National Army Day celebrated on 15th Jan? Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa. He was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. Which great scientist is associated with National Science Day on 28th Feb? Sir C.V. Raman for his discovery of Raman effect. This discovery received Nobel Prize in Physics. Which leader's birth anniversary is associated with Equality Day in India on 14th April? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a Bharat Ratna awardee and is called Father of Equality in India. He was pivotal in framing our Indian Constitution. Which leader's death anniversary is associated with National Anti-Terrorism Day on 21st May in India? Rajiv Gandhi, a Bharat Ratna awardee and a former Prime Minister of India. He became the youngest Prime Minister of India at the age of 40. He was assassinated by a suicide bomber. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Statistics Day on 29th June? Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, a Padma Vibhushan awardee, and he is called Father of Statistics in India. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Doctors Day on 1st July? Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, or in short, B.C. Roy, a Bharat Ratna awardee and a former Chief Minister of West Bengal. He is often considered as the maker of modern West Bengal. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Sports Day on 29th August? Major Dhyan Chand, a Padma Bhushan awardee and is called the Wizard or Magician of Hockey. Here comes an easy one. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Teachers Day on 5th September? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a Bharat Ratna awardee and the second President of India. He is the only President of India who could not attend the Delhi Republic Day parade due to his ill health. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Engineers Day on 15th September? Sir M.V. or Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya, a Bharat Ratna awardee. His birth anniversary is celebrated not only in India but also in Sri Lanka and Tanzania for his immense contributions to the public and the engineering field. Here comes another easy one. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as International Non-Violence Day on 2nd October? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Gandhiji or Bapuji or the Father of India. His birth anniversary is not only celebrated in India as a national holiday in the name of Gandhi Jayanti, but also in the international forum to support non-violence as a solution to any problem. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as International Students' Day on 15th October? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a Bharat Ratna awardee, the Missile Man of India, former President of India. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day on 31st October? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a Bharat Ratna awardee, the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He is called the Iron Man of India, and the world's tallest statue of Unity in Gujarat, is dedicated to him. Another well-known whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Children's Day on 14th November? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a Bharat Ratna awardee and the first Prime Minister of India, was fondly called by children as Uncle Nehru. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as National Mathematics Day on 22nd December? Srinivasa Ramanujan. He became one of the youngest FRS, that is, Fellow of the Royal Society, and the first Indian to be elected as a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. Hope you learned something new from this video. If you have in mind any other Indian expert or leader who is associated with a national day in India, please post them in the comment section. As we keep saying, learning is fun, knowledge is power. So let us never ever stop learning in life. This is Akshat signing off. Thank you.